This Vixen Horns VXS-1000M hand crank siren delivers an impressively strong emergency-style tone that carries a long distance, making it very effective for getting attention in noisy outdoor settings. Because the housing and handle are made entirely from sturdy metal, the siren feels solid in the hand and stands up well to frequent use and rough conditions. The manual crank and sound control lever let you easily vary the volume and intensity, so you can dial in anything from a sharp alert to a full air raid style blast. Its compact folding design and included pouch make it simple to pack, clip to your belt, or stash in a bag for camping, hiking, or boating. In real-world use, it proves versatile, working equally well for emergency signaling, crowd control, school drills, or just making spirited noise at events. Despite its rugged construction and noticeable weight, the siren remains easy to operate by hand, with a smooth crank action that does not quickly tire you out.